Hey guys, it's Dawn here, and I am here with the Sovereign Q8 Plus. This is the upgrade to the Sovereign Q8 Pro. I've been using this one forever. I love it. It is the power of the sun. It has been my go-to flashlight. It is my must-have flashlight. And now I am going to try to wrap a lanyard around this. And this is what I've done before. And for this one, it lasts, it's strong, never failed on me. It's been crash tested. I use it for all of my night rides, so it's heavily used and all of that good stuff. And it's good. The only problem is I don't remember how I did this. That's my biggest problem. I have no memory whatsoever, you guys. All right, so I do want this one to be a little bit longer than the old one because with my Pit Zoom wrist guards, they do kind of get in the way a bit. Not get in the way, but, you know, they're there. All right, so let me see. I'm trying to figure out, how do I do this? I think this time I might want to secure it with some, I might want to secure this with some glue. All right, so I'm going to cross over. I have my 3 strands here, and then I'm going to cross this one over into this ridge because I want this ridge to help me hold this. And then I'm going to start wrapping this down. And then I'm going to have to go back up, I guess. So I don't know. If you're watching this in hopes that I'm going to teach you something, don't get your hopes up. What happens if I go through here? I wonder if that'll help hold or it'll help pull it down. I don't like that. All right, I'm just going to go like this. Oops, I ran out of room. Okay, so I am out of room over here. So I am just going to leave it at that, and then I'm going to cross back up. Cross back up over here. I feel like this is secure enough. And now I'm going to start wrapping upwards. So, of course, you know, you could just use a zip tie or anything, you know, but I love Paracord, and, you know, it has other uses and stuff like that, and, you know, survivalists and all that good stuff. And it comes in all different colors. So you can really make it pretty, and that is very important, isn't it? It's only the things that I like the most that I will put in the effort to bling it out, or, you know, like this extra effort stuff. Yeah, if I didn't care. All right, so I want to put this in here, and it doesn't really want to cooperate with me. So see if get my needle nose. I really should have my hemostat. My hemostat would do this a lot better, but let me see if I can do this without getting up and grabbing my hemostats. There we go. It's right there. All right, so this goes through that little loop that I created earlier. Make this a little tighter. Let's see. And now if I pull this tail here, there we go. You see how it grabbed up here? So now make sure this is tight. I'll pull this one down. You see how it's pulling it down over here at the top here? I'm gonna pull, and it's tightening up on it. Oops. You see it's tightening up here when I pull this one down here. All right, I'm going to try and pull this without accidentally releasing and smashing my camera into my face. So what I'm watching out for is that it's not going to keep pulling over here. I want this to go down. All right, hold on. I need to get into another position to do this right. All right, so now it's just pulling the other side down. So that's no bueno. Oh, let me see. All right, let's check to see what length this is at. That's this length. Yep, it's still longer by a little bit. I've got this over here. I got this over here. I'm going to pull on this, see if that's tight. Pull on this one, get that tight. All right, so now all I have to do is secure this. I wonder if I should do anything else. I could wrap this around like this and secure it that way. Or I can try to go under here. Once again, my hemostats would be very nice to have over here. Oh no. All right, there we go. All right, so now I can cut this one. I'm going to burn this down a lot. And same with this one. So I'm going to leave big tails. Now we're going to have a nice big fire. All right. Nice and flat, and then this one. Let's see, use this. Well, that feels secure to me. And now we have this. Go over here. When I feel these bumps here, it doesn't exist anywhere else. So when I feel this, then I know that my button is nearby. And this actually gives me a nice little feel right there for me to grip onto. I think I'm gonna off camera where I can really take a better look at this. I'll reinforce this a little bit more, get some more material on it. I can melt some of this and add that to this material to melt on there, and press it down flat and just give it a little more purchase. But I don't have to, because look, that's really secure. All right, so yeah, that's all that there is to this project. Now we have our lanyard, we have our awesome, amazing flashlight. Oops, you gotta screw this all the way on until you get the green lights. The power of the sun. Dun, dun, dun. And we are good to go. Thanks for joining me today. Hope that was helpful, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.